dog. Hey, that's man.
Good night.
Good night.
Oh.
Good night.
Bless.
Salam alaikum. Yeah. I'm a poet. You cannot grasp me at first glance. My essence is not easily perceived. My truth lies in the depths of my thoughts. My exterior is a path down a decoy alley. I can only be unearthed with an open mind, coupled with eyes that are able to extricate details. My purpose is conveyed in metaphors and similes. If I didn't represent one thing, I could easily be misrepresented as anything. My surface aims to distort, but if you search deep within the content, then you shall find where our minds shall synchronize. Give thanks. You dare to compare? When he saw you there, you came and peered. Stop trying to duplicate what the orchestrated. Warhol now come and peer. Art Lord asked for the stroke his brush against creativity that is impaired. Stop trying to make connections. Turn off your Bluetooth. Swipe or stop swiping. Stop from being a wolf in a hole trying to hold on to thoughts that he killed. Stop from digging up coffins. Stop from resurrecting deadlines like supervisors at the front line. Hanging out cheap clothing. Wolf in cheap clothing trying to get a bird's eye view. When the bird's eye view you try to invade his intellectual property. His rights to privacy. He sees pirates approaching on shore, but let there be no uncertainty. These black sons on piracy. Henry Morgan, know your boundaries. Just taking back what's black, you know? Give thanks. Reggae.com. You can find me on Facebook, Maverick, where you can find my poetry.com page on Facebook. Follow me on hashtag Twitter, Danny. Give thanks, you know?